Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ala. Today I wanted to do a New Year's Day kind of a glam look, and the look that inspired me was the kind of the last video that Kathleen Lights did with the sparkly eye, kind of the white shimmery glitter topper with the cola lips. So I wanted to sort of replicate that today. I already went in with my priming moisturizer, and I'm gonna use the Haus Labs foundation today because I realized it's been a while since I've shown this on camera, and I use this off camera quite a bit, so I wanted to use it here. That was just one pump. It really shears itself out. I like the formula a lot. It's definitely my favorite full coverage foundation. I find that with my skin type, because it's like dry to normal, then having a wet sponge kind of creates the best, most flattering effect with that foundation. Instead of just like swiping it around with a dry brush, having something kind of damp. Sometimes I use a dry sponge too, but with this foundation, it looks the most skin-like, the most natural, undetectable, just really lightweight on the skin when it's a wet sponge. And then I want to use this Nars light reflecting eye brightener in Night Swan. Just a little eye brightening for under the eyes. It's supposed to be like a corrector and brightener all at the same time, so there's a little bit of a peach in it. So basically the skin that Kathleen had was pretty minimal. It wasn't anything too crazy. So I'm gonna go in with this Laguna 01 bronzer. I'm just gonna keep the skin kind of, yeah, this is 01, but it still is pretty impactful. So I'm gonna have to do a lot of blending here. Just kind of go over the nose. I will put on some powder just to set things. So I'm going to use this Youngblood pressed mineral foundation. I use this as an all over powder, but also just to give a little bit more extra coverage, just so it has like a longer lasting power all day. I'll do my brows with this RMS brow powder. This is in medium. I'm just gonna use a small little brush there. like a brow powder as well, oftentimes, because it has very soft and natural effect on the brows, and it doesn't look as harsh when you blend out, well, when you brush out your brows. It kind of just softens the powder underneath. And creates a bit of a shadow for your brows, and just makes them look kind of filled in but natural at the same time. So just getting a brush and brushing out. I'll do just the powder bronzer. Going in with this hand Malibu bronzer. Just go right on top of that. And then for blush, I think she used like a kind of a berry toned blush. So I'm gonna see what I have in my collection that's closest to a berry tone. The blush that I found is by Rare Beauty, and it's in Courage. So this is the closest thing that I have to a berry tone, but really it's just a cool toned blush. And my lip combo is also going to be cool toned, so this might actually go perfectly. I'll just use my little sponge and kind of just soften up the edges where I might have gone overboard. I might just add a little bit more of my powder on over top, just to bring down the shine a little bit, because the blush I think is one of the dewy ones, and I'm not trying to bring in too much shine all over the cheek, because I do like to add highlighter as well. So for highlighter, I'm just continuing to use my Ilia highlighter. It's so nice, very soft. I used it for years. I'm surprised that it's still existing in the pan. I don't know how that's possible. All right. So yeah, the cheeks are done. Since I know what I want to do for my lips, I'm just gonna do that first. I sometimes just do that out of order, but I'm going in with this Decade by Lisa Eldridge. So it is a brown, because I want to create that Coca-Cola look that Kathleen Lights was talking about. And then for the gloss, I'm using this Clarins lip oil in Cherry, so 03 Cherry. Definitely gives off that cherry coke, which I love. That's nice. So for the eyes, I will use this eyeshadow palette, which is the same palette that Kathleen has. I've used mine for years, so I didn't even know she had the same palette. But I'm just gonna go in with that light brown in the palette and put that in the crease. Use a smaller brush to add the same brown, the lower lash line. I'll just kind of brush it out. Also wanted to use this Lisa Eldridge liquid lurex in Emily, so I'm gonna do that all over the lid as well. It's kind of a cool toned beige, kind of a silvery beige, so I'm just gonna put that sort of all over the lid, blend it out, and then I'll do the white shimmer right on top of that. Yeah, that's really pretty. That's a really pretty combo. Just do the same on this side. You can brush it out with a brush as well, blend it out. Sometimes just for quick sake and precision, I feel like my finger does the job as well. So yeah, that's a really pretty combo. And now I will apply this super sparkly shadow on that. Just on like kind of the center, and then feather it out. It creates just this beautiful, shiny, sparkly, glossy lid. Then I'll put some in the middle, in the inner corner. And that is definitely a New Year's shadow. It's just so pretty. Okay, so there's the lids all done, and I think I'll definitely add some eyeliner. I found this Charlotte Tilbury Rock and Coal eye pencil in Barbarella Brown. For longevity's sake, I'm going to use this, and then I might add some shadow on top just to kind of soften it up. I'll blend that out. Maybe I don't need to use the So all I did was I just added a little bit of the eyeliner on the lower lash line. I'm going in with my Shiseido lash curler, and I'll finish it off with the Clinique mascara. The best way I would describe this mascara is definitely buildable, because some mascaras, they just kind of have like a strong impact right from the beginning, right from the first coat, but this one doesn't. Like, it just separates and lengthens in the first layer, and then it builds on itself and adds that volume with the next layers. So this one's nice for a natural to even like a fuller, more glam look, because I don't have thick or many lashes, so this one's really nice. It definitely flatters even my eyelashes, so I've been enjoying it quite a bit. I'll set my face with this Professional Super Setter. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching. This is the New Year's look that I came up with. I hope you guys have a really good New Year and a better year next year than the year before. And thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel, and I hope you'll stick with me and subscribe and like the videos, and then also, you know, give me feedback and ideas. I always look forward to commenting and responding to you guys. So thanks so much for being here, and Happy New Year, and see you next time.